Okay, and now for another variation of a rifle, could be a shotgun or whatever. We're going to be using one glue dot. Let's set that aside. I've got a gray 160 with about 4 or 5 inches uninflated on it. And I've got two 260s, a gray and a brown, each with about 4 or 5 inches uninflated on the end of each one. We're going to start with our brown. What we're going to do is we're going to start at the beginning, at the end of it, by making 2 pinch twists. So make a small bubble, make that a pinch twist, another small bubble, and then make that a pinch twist as well. And we're going to make our stock, so make about a 5 or 6 inch bubble, followed by a small bubble that will be a pinch twist, about a 3 or 4 inch bubble, followed by another little pinch twist, and then we're going to complete the triangle of our stock by coming back to there. Now this one will have a trigger, so we're going to make about, not a trigger, but a trigger guard. You can add a trigger if you want, just like before. If you want to add a trigger, put your extra 2 pinch twists here so you can insert your trigger, but I'm not going to put it on this one. I've already shown that. So about a 2 or 3 inch bubble, followed by 2 more small bubbles that'll become pinch twists, of course. And we're going to come out about 5 inches on this. Got another small bubble there to make that a pinch twist, and then we need another little tiny little spacer bubble here, just like that, about 1/2 inch or so. Cut the excess off. Don't trim that real tight. We're going to need that to attach to our barrel in a minute. Set that aside. Now with our barrel, we're going to start by making our tulip twist on the end, followed by our 2 pinch twists, now this one's barrel is slightly different. What we're going to do is, however far you want it to stick out, I'm going to have it stick out about 3 or 4 inches. And we're going to make a bubble there, and then we're going to make a pair of pinch twists there. Okay, and in a minute we're going to attach that, but not just yet. Now we're going to come back along here. We're going to go all the way back up where it would attach up here. And right above this one here, we're going to make a bubble and then a pair of pinch twists there. All straight, and then one more measurement. We're going to come back. We need a bubble the same size as that one. So, there. One single pinch twist there, and then a little small spacer bubble that we're going to attach right into there. So put that in where it meets up with your stock, and then remove this excess. Secure that right there. Now we're going to lay this alongside here, and we're going to come out to the end, and where we had that little bubble left on our stock, it's going to attach into right there. And then this, even though we're going to attach this in a minute, the glue dot is optional on this one, but I'm going to go ahead and put it because I want it to stay tight, so I'm going to put the glue dot right up in here. And it's easier to do it now before I attach the rest of it. So I'll put that right there. And then pull that in there. And then we're going to take our 160, and we're going to start by attaching it in here at the base of the stock. Just like that. We're going to make our trigger guard just by making a loop that's going to come out and attach to that next point there. Like that. And then we're going to make a little tiny small spacer bubble that's going to go from here up to here. Twist that into those 2 pinch twists on our barrel. remove this excess. Secure that up in there. And then depending on whether you want to leave this as a shotgun, shotguns typically do not have sights on the end. If you want to make it a shotgun, you don't have to put a sight. If you want to make it a rifle, you can take the remnant of your 160, pull just a little tiny bubble on the end of it there, and tie that off, maybe. There we go. Trim that a little bit. And then we're going to attach this right up here in those two pinch twists. And now you've got a sight for your rifle.